In this video, I will show you how to fix the system UI isn't responding error on any Android phone. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner to open your device's settings. Once in Settings, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom. Here, you'll find Apps. Tap on it. Now that you're in the Apps section, tap on this button. Toggle on the switch next to Show System Apps and then tap OK to close this window. Next, locate the search button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in System UI and hit Search. Select System UI from the search results that appear. Scroll down a bit until you find Storage. Tap on it. In this section, tap on Clear Cache. This action helps remove temporary files that may be causing issues. After clearing the cache for System UI, go back to the main apps page. Now it's time to address another critical component, Google Play Services. Search for it just like before by typing Google Play Services into the search bar. Select Google Play Services from your search results. Just like before, scroll down a bit until you reach Storage. Tap on it once more. First, tap on Clear Cache, followed by tapping on Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. You might see a prompt asking for confirmation. Just go ahead and confirm this action. Once both caches have been cleared successfully, it's crucial to restart your device. A simple reboot can help apply these changes effectively. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.